On today's video, you'll see me at my son's school. I am not just an honor roll parent of the most amazing little boy, but I am also the class parent. So what that means is I volunteer frequently and help do math pullouts. So right here, you'll see me tutoring a couple of my son's classmates with some fractions. And now off to the renovation site. Our house is coming along nicely, guys. We finally have a roof and gutters. And today I am meeting with my contractor. And this is him here, and we're discussing the railings on the stairs. He was talking about putting some walls up, and I'm like, oh, no, I want it all open. I want to see railings from the basement to the top floor. I want all railings, no walls. So we're discussing that there, and now we are going upstairs just to look at some design things. And
Oh, okay. Yeah, so that's
he's showing me how he made our rooms a little bigger than what the layout of the plan was on the blueprint. So, yeah, so we're excited about that. And as long as everything passes city code, we are good. So now we are going back down, and you'll see my contractor and my inspector, my HUD inspector here. He's letting him know that we need some more beams across there to hold up that empty spot with no beams to the left. So it pays to have a really good I guess they're called HUD inspectors. Yeah. And it pays to have a really good one because they see things that you have no idea, if you're an amateur like myself and my husband. And yeah, we learned that the hard way because we have lost a lot of money, not having someone in line to hold everybody accountable. So now off to downtown. I head downtown, drop my mom off at the train, and then I got some Garrett's popcorn because my husband loves Garrett's, so we're gonna blame him for ruining my healthy eating today because I had to get some Garrett's for myself. So today for lunch, I am making my favorite, which is an arugula Caesar salad. So I love Caesar salad with romaine lettuce, but the romaine lettuce does not work well with my stomach. So I went to Italy. It's an Italian restaurant and kind of grocery store, and had lunch there, and I had an arugula Caesar type salad. So since then I was like, oh my God, I love arugula, and my favorite salad is a Caesar salad. I mean, this is a win-win. So from then on, I've been making my Caesar salads with arugula. And I have to imagine that arugula has more health benefits than romaine does. But let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Or what information do you have? So you see me there putting some garlic salt on my salad. I don't have any pepper, so usually I'll put a bunch of cracked pepper on there, but I don't have any. I ran out when I was making my jollof rice video. Go back and watch that if you haven't seen it. And then I put some tuna. This is a really good brand of tuna. And after that, you'll see me putting some apple cider vinegar. And now the Panera Bread Caesar dressing. Give it a little mix before I put my homemade croutons on. These things are delicious. So what you saw me spraying in the pan was some olive oil spray, and you saw me using my new oil sprayer that I got from Burlington Coat Factory. So go back and watch yesterday or the day before's video for more information on that. So homemade croutons, there's nothing like it, guys. I mean, it's easy to buy them from the store, but they taste so much better when you're using fresh bread. And this bread is called ciabatta bread, and I use olive oil. And this bread is from a bakery, local bakery, so it's really good. So olive oil, ciabatta bread, and garlic salt. And yeah. So I top my salad off with the homemade croutons. I'm just watching myself eat it again, and it's so, oh my God, it's so delicious. And yeah, guys, so now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy my delicious meal. Look at all those croutons. That's ridiculous. I put too much croutons, but it's so good. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope that you enjoyed the video, and please like, subscribe, and don't forget to go watch my other videos. Bye.